Evan. We're back here at Cedar Point.
Here.
We are here on Cedar Point's brand new roller coaster, Siren's Curse.
It's a little scary.
It is a little intimidating for sure. I mean, not gonna lie, like we've obviously ridden it a few times already before, but
it's still.
It is,
especially up in the front. We haven't been up in the front yet.
It is North America's tallest, fastest, and longest coaster.
Tilt coaster.
Tilt coaster. No. Sorry, not tilt coaster.
False advertising.
But a beautiful view up here. You can see all of it's pretty much almost the height of almost Rougarou.
Hey, you can touch Rougarou.
Yeah, almost. So this is what's getting crazy. Is literally we'll come over here and then we will stop. And then
we tilt.
That's when we start tilting. It goes 160 feet in the air. And here we go. We're going to start tilting. There's an awesome soundtrack with it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh boy. Oh boy. It just doesn't get old. And you're looking straight down at the midway.
Oh my goodness.
And here we go. Some airtime right here.
Oh my God, so good airtime.
Here we go into one hard line. So smooth. Here we go again. Woo! We're gonna go dive into the tunnel.
So good.
Coming around again. Oh my goodness, it's so smooth. Woo!
And another barrel roll.
Another one. There it is. Oh,
wow.
Woo! Oh my goodness.
Oh, the airtime's so good.
Woo! Wow.
That's such a good ride.
Such a good ride. It's such a good ride. Make sure you come out to Cedar Point. Definitely come out and check it out on the tallest, fastest, and longest tilt coaster.
Oh my goodness. Vekoma.
Yeah, right?
They know what they're doing over there.
Butter smooth.
It's so good.